How do you feel about for the kids out there that are like, oh, should I invest in this? Should I do this? Should I just go all into sales? What would you tell that kid? F the investments, go balls to the wall with sales? What would you tell them?
Man, it's like when I see these kids and they're like, Zane, I got $5,000 saved up. Should I go into Cummy coin? Should I go into MILF coin? Should I buy Bitcoin? Should I go and put all my money into real estate? Brother, you got 5 G's. I made 5 G's in the last 60 seconds. And you're asking me about investing $5,000 in your stupid Cummy coin. Think I care about that? No, dude, take that $5,000, put it aside, put it in a course, pay Zane, get some knowledge. I don't know, but get information. $5,000 ain't shit. Go all into yourself and win. Okay, invest in yourself. You are your biggest investment. Your body, your mind, that's your real estate. Work on your real estate. Be better every single day. Don't worry about some pump and dump Cummy coin. No, dude, that's not what's gonna make you rich. What's gonna make you rich is up here. I could have $0 in my bank account. I'm richer than every person I know in this city. Why? Because what I have up here. That's what makes you rich. Invest in yourself. Learn how to print $5,000 a minute. Forget about $5,000 in your bank account becoming $10,000 with this Cummy coin.